Hi, Sarah. Let's talk spring cleaning, but let's do it super easy, okay?
Okay, let's do it easy. That's my style. So what tip do you have to kick off spring cleaning?
So number one, invest in a product that cleans multiple surfaces in one. And I love this Rejuvenate Click and Clean Mop because it does just that. It cleans, it scrubs, it dusts, it shines all surfaces throughout your house. Tile, wood, laminate, stone, grout. So it comes with a microfiber pad. It comes with a dusting pad. It comes with that grout brush. So like I said, it cleans all surfaces. I love it because those microfiber pads are reusable, so you can use them over and over again. And the mop is compatible with so many great cleaners from Rejuvenate. So you just gotta love a product that does multiple things in one, right? Get it done easily, effectively, with only one thing.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.